Hello, do you want to learn how to write poultry farm business plan for broilers or layers? Are you going into poultry farming through partnership, or you want to collect loan from friends, family members, neighbors, institutions like banks, and they ask you to prepare a business plan for that poultry farm business? Are you going into hatchery, broiler parent stock, layers for egg, broilers for meat, or others? Let me guide you in this particular video. If you can watch to the end, I'll give you a professional, easy to follow chicken poultry farm business plan you can use for broilers, layers, or even mixed poultry operations. It is very detailed plan from beginning to end. It's going to be longer, please. This video is going to be longer, please. And I advise you to watch it, and that's the only way you can get the best. Don't think you cannot grow one day. You can't continue from backyard and remain in backyard poultry farming. One day you may need a business plan by an institution or supporters that want to support a business. They want to know if actually that business is going to work, or you have an idea of what you're going in for. First is the poultry farm business plan executive summary. The summary of your business plan will bear the name of your farm, as in Mr. ABC Farm. You can say Mr. ABC Farm is a modern poultry farm business specializing in the production of broiler chickens for meat and layer chicken for eggs. You can say this farm aims to produce high quality, healthy poultry products for local markets, supermarkets, restaurants, and for processing into other areas. It is also good for wholesale dealers. The next thing is, what is your vision? Or you say, our vision is to become a leading poultry farm that delivers affordable, hygienic, and highly nutritious chicken products while maintaining profitable operations. We plan to start with, you decide the number of birds you want to start with. You have to add it into your plan. Maybe we plan to start with 1,000 broilers and 1,000 layers. All these birds is for egg and meat within the first 12 months. Is that also add your time of expansion, the target for expansion of your poultry farm? What are the key products? You need to include it into introduction. Your key product is broiler chickens, dressed frozen chickens, chicken parts like the legs, all these things, table eggs. If you are into going in for layers, or you're going for both, you have to combine them. Then poultry manure, because you are going to make money from your poultry manure. We make money from our poultry manure here, even better profit than that of the chicken, because our wood shavings or sawdust we use for our beddings. Here we don't buy it. You only spend the cost of carrying it, other cost of fuel or transportation. That's all. If you remove that, any other thing you get is profit. A bag of 100 kg bag here is about 8 to 10,000 naira, and we get it cheap. Only the transport alone, that's all. Funding requirements of your business plan. You insert the amount of money, add the amount of money into your introduction for housing of the birds, feeding of the birds, equipment, vaccination, and other utilities. When you talk of utilities, you talk of salaries of your workers and all that, electric bill, water, and others. Then business description is the number 2. Business description. The poultry farming is one of the most profitable agribusiness due to its high demand for chicken, meat, and eggs. Nigeria poultry industry grows steadily due to increasing population, urbanization, and lifestyle changes of people. You say your farm now, ABC Farm, will operate a semi-intensive or intensive system with proper housing, feeding, lighting, heating, and biosecurity. Type of farm options. You can say pure broiler farming, pure layers farming, or mixed poultry operations. Any of them, you choose them. Then farm size. You need to add farm size into your business plan. Small scale is 100 to 1,000 birds. Medium scale is 1,000 to 10,000 birds. Then large scale is 10,000 birds and above. Which one do you want to go into? You have to tell it in your business plan also. The size of your farm, you need to tell it in your business plan also. The means of expansion. Then another thing is the mission and vision statement of your farm. One, the mission is to produce healthy, affordable, and high quality products for poultry, for consumption, while maintaining excellent biosecurity and sustainable profit in the business also. What is your vision? Your vision is to become one of the most respectable or reputable poultry farm brands in the region within 5 years. You can give limits of time, or within 2 years, or within 10 years. What are the core values of your business plan or your business? Hygienic and biosecurity, quality and integrity, customer satisfaction, efficiency, and animal welfare. All these are in your business plan. Number 4 of your business plan, that is page 4 of it, if possible. Market analysis. You have to tell your market analysis, how you have viewed the market, where you want to do your business. Industry overview. Nigeria consumes over 1.5 trillion, or you can depend on your view or your survey, you can say over 1.5 million megatons of chicken annually. Yes, local production meets less than 30% of this demand, presenting huge opportunity for every poultry farm business to grow. Restaurants, grills, hotels, supermarkets, and households demand fresh chicken egg and fresh chicken meat daily, depending on where you are going. Are you going for chicken meat or you're going for eggs? Target market, local market and retailers, restaurants and fast food chains, hotel and event centers, frozen chicken buyers, wholesale and distributors, and household customers. All these are under market. Then competitive advantage you have over others, because you're not the only one in the market. You have to tell them also, so that they will know, have an idea of what you. Strong disease prevention plan. If you're using our Eco Bio Booster in your farm, you get that free of charge. Reliable feed formulation. You're going to make feed by yourself. You're going to reduce the cost of feeding your poultry birds. High performance broiler and layer strengths. These are your backup. Affordable pricing strategies. Clean, hygienic, and processing state of your birds for broilers. Next one is product and services you're going to render. You have to tell them in your business plan also. If it is for broilers, live broiler sales, dressed chicken sales, chicken cuts, wing, laps and breasts and others, frozen packaging, poultry manure. All these are. If it is for layers, you can say table size eggs, point of lay pullets, spent layers and manure. These are areas you make money to support your plan business. Number 6 is organizational structure, management structure, management cadre of your business. Farm owner, chief executive officer, that is the number 1. Farm manager is the number 2. Poultry attendants, those that are work within the poultry house, if it's for picking of eggs and others. Veterinary or vets or consultants, poultry consultant, those that are going to look into your business to tell you when to correct certain things. Sales and marketing officers, those that will go and create business for you outside. Accountants and record keepers, those that are into financial matters of your business. Security personnel, very importantly for you also. All these are your organizational chart. They show organizational structure of your business, depending on the size of your farm, the size of the business you're going into. SWOT is the next one, SWOT analysis. Now, strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. That is what SWOT is all about. Your strength, you have to tell them your strength. Your strengths can be high demand, fast turnover, broilers 6 to 8 weeks, or 5 to 6 weeks, depending on you are rearing and the breed of broiler you want to use. Strong management strategies. You have gone training and you are fully equipped. Access to good feed and good water. If you can prepare your feed, it's another advantage for you. Weakness, disease outbreak or risk. Initial capital requirement. These are the areas you are lacking. You know that you are lacking. That's where you need help. Opportunities, you have to tell them local markets are abundant in large areas. They are large in your area or within your vicinity. Increasing demand for healthy chickens or eggs, depending on what you are going in for. Export possibility with scarce. Then the threat, disease outbreak like Newcastle, Gomboro, and rest of them. Feed price fluctuations can affect you also. Market competition can affect you also.